Ari, what is your schedule like throughout the day? How many hours do you work? Somebody asked me that the other day in the Accumulab Discord, ironically. I work, see, that's the thing I was saying earlier is like, I just love what I do so much that I don't even feel like I work a lot at all. But I'm sure if you ask like my girlfriend, like, oh, how much does he work? She'd be like, oh, he works a lot. Like, he's always working. But I don't feel like I'm always working. I actually feel like I don't work enough. I feel like I chill too much sometimes. I actually think that's the best thing I can do because it gives me time to think. So I would say I probably work like just a normal 9 to 5, like in terms of hours. I think I usually start working at like 9 and it's 7 right now and I'm still doing stuff. But there's so many things throughout the day that I do that are not work at all. Like maybe I'll play a little video game for like at lunch or something, or I'll eat lunch, I'll hang out with my girlfriend, I'll go skate. I like to go skateboard sometimes. Maybe we'll go on a walk. Like my days are pretty random sometimes, but that's why like what I want to do now again, which is what I was doing before, is like right away in the morning, gather my things, like not really look at my phone too much, just like gather a couple books, a notepad, drink my coffee, just kind of chill. I really enjoy like a smooth morning. I don't like to just get up and boom, 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 go to work. I mean, sometimes, yeah, I'll like get up and answer Slack messages, or like I'll go on Discord and chat with the community. I'll say like, yo, good morning, guys. But I don't get into work like super fast. I kind of like mellow into it. And then once I got my coffee, I got the caffeine kicking, then I like to make content. I like to make a video. So I like to find something interesting that is valuable, maybe an idea I have, something I want to express, something I want to iterate on, and I just do that. I don't write a script, nothing. I just boom, do it. And then depending on what it, like usually then I'll just make like a TikTok version of that in like 2 minutes. Like TikToks take me like not even 5 minutes to make. Videos take me like 20, 25 minutes to make. I'm pretty fast with it. And then after that, and not only after that, but in between that as well, I'm on Slack. I'm talking to my team. We're discussing ideas. We're sending each other links for different things that we saw. We're talking about results. We're talking about strategies. We're talking about just all these different things. So we're constantly talking. And then usually maybe at like noon. At noon is when I start taking calls if I have calls. So whether it be with like new clients, whether it be with my team, whether it be just like, and usually when I talk with my team, it's kind of like talking to a friend. Like I'm homies with everybody in my team, and we'll chat about business. Like we'll talk about life. We'll talk about. I actually kind of make it a point to do that. I like to lead in that way. Like I like to be more of like I'm a boss, whatever, but I also like to talk to my people about their life. Just what they like. Like, for example, one of my guys is really great at chess, so we play chess together. Sometimes when we get on a call, we'll play chess. He's really good at media buying. He's one of our media buyers. And he's amazing at chess. He's like 1800 rated, so that's really cool. And then, yeah, usually I'll eat. I'll exercise also throughout the day. Like I do push-ups. I try to do 100 to 200 push-ups a day, 100 to 200 sit-ups a day. Like lunges, I'll try to do like a few lunges, and then that's it. And then maybe like I'll look at the stock market. I try to check the stock market a little bit every day. I'm not like, I don't trade, but I do like to buy stocks. So I'll look at what's going on in the market quick. Zach in the Accumulab also usually drops some really interesting investing things. So I'll look at that. And if I see there's good buying opportunities, I'll maybe buy like a little bit of stock that day. Honestly, I never buy like a lot of stock at once. I'm just a big fan of like consistent progress, I get a lot of fulfillment out of that. And I've gotten a lot of results through that as well, just over time, like building things slowly. So I'll, buy $100 worth of stock that day, or maybe the next day, like everything's so red. So I'll buy like $300 worth of Nvidia, let's say. So that's usually what my daily routine looks like. That's actually, I have it written down because I wanted it to be so like simple and fundamental that I could do it every day. And yeah, I literally wrote that what would happen if I stick to this daily routine that's very simple: 100 to 200 push-ups and sit-ups and lunges every day, a video or a stream that day, like some form of content, messages to my team and ideas every day, and then engage with the community on Discord, learn, and invest every day. If I do those 4 things every day for 5 years, bro, I'll be a fucking billionaire. You know, like I feel like I can actually do some crazy progress in 5 years if I can do that every day. Those simple things. I don't know, little things like that get me kind of hyped. I just love making consistent progress every day. I don't know why. It feels like a video game, actually. That's why. Because in a video game, that's always how I've played too. Like, you know, in an MMO, I'll grind an MMO, like World of Warcraft. I'll grind World of Warcraft till I'm level 70 and like all geared up, and you know, but it never happens in one day. Obviously, it's like consistency over time.